How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm alright. Look at that, my bird.
Oh my god!
Say hello.
Oh, stupid.
Do you love? Do you like bird? Do you like bird? Yeah.
We study animals.
Yeah. My bird can speak like a man.
Oh.
Do you have any pet animals?
Pardon?
Do you have any pet animals?
I have 2 birds, 2 dogs, and a cat.
Oh, that's so cool. You have 2 birds and 2 cats. Okay, what types of bird it is?
Lovebirds. We got 2 lovebirds.
They can speak like a man?
No, they can't speak. They can mimic sounds though, but they can't speak.
Oh, okay, but my bird can speak like a man. My bird name is Tweety. He can completely really say Tweety, hello, what? They can really speak like that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, Tweety, they love you. Tweety, they love you. Anyway,
Oh, that's so great.
yeah. Anyway, where are you from?
Oh, we're from the UK.
Well, I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, yeah, that's quite cool.
Okay, I think. Oh.
I was trying to give you it, not eat it.
Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. So funny.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, that's my roll.
oh, careful.
That was fine.
You got any problem with your eyes?
Pardon?
Oh, you got any problem with your eyes?
Yeah, I get hay fever.
Okay, it's okay. But where you are sitting right now, I see some vehicles is running behind of you. Yeah, I see. Oh, beautiful.
You're on a main road.
Oh, okay. Is that next to your house?
Pardon?
Is that next to your house?
No, we're not from around here. We're visiting for the week.
Oh, you are visiting to the wake.
She stayed for 2 weeks. Yeah, she stayed for 2 weeks. I've been out here for a week.
Okay.
Same day, but
Do you like to move? Okay, do you go outside on the weekend?
Pardon?
Do you go anywhere for enjoying your time on the weekend?
Yeah, we go out. We have a bit of fun.
Oh, that's so cool. Assalamualaikum viewers. You know, last a couple of the days I have been speaking with the Israeli army and their civilians, especially about Palestine and Gaza. But unfortunately, it's very difficult to upload those kind of video to the Facebook page, especially because of terms and condition. If you are willing to watch the conversation about Palestine and Israel issues, so you can go to my YouTube channel where I will upload every single of them.